In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a social media link to YouTube video description. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. There is two different methods available to add social media link on the YouTube video description. You can add a social media link to future upload videos, or you can upload social media link on a single video. Let's go with upload future videos. First, log into YouTube Studio and click on Settings. Now click on Upload Defaults and click on Description. Now add your text here. Now copy all of the social media link one by one and paste it here. Now save the changes. By following this simple method, you can easily add social media link to a future upload videos. Let's go single one. First, click on Content and choose the video where you want to add a social media link and click on this pen icon. Now click on the description and add a social media link and save the changes. By following this tutorial, you can easily add social media links to YouTube video description.